This is AI model. This is jewelry. And this is jewelry ad shoot. That means no need of human model and no need of videographer. Cause today, AI Explorer is going to tell you how to do free AI jewelry ads. So let's get started. First step is generate prompt. To get a model, first search in Google. Here I am searching jewelry. Okay, download as your wish. Here is my jewelry model photo. Here is necklace picture. Now we need a prompt to create an AI model. For that, come to ChatGPT. Now give the real model picture here. Give the prompt. Write a prompt to generate same image. Just copy and save it. Second step is generate model. I am using Cree AI to get image. Click on Flux. Here, give the prompt. Okay, they give 4 AI models picture. Just select one and download it. See, realistic AI model is ready here. Third step is jewelry ad suit. I am using Kling AI. Now select AI video here. Select image to video. First select AI model. Now select necklace. Give a prompt here. Add jewelry to a model. Give here 9:16 ratio. Click generate. It will cut your 20 credits. Wait for some time. The model is ready with jewelry. The result is okay. Cause here is a fault with necklace. Just give a negative prompt here. No move backside, not move round. Okay, now click generate. Okay, it is perfect. No turning back and no fault. Here is final result. Beside necklace, you can add other jewelry. Like here, I have made a earring ad shoot. See, it is so interesting and free to create jewelry ad shoot. Just try it. Today, AI Explorer is signing off. Take care.